Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is September the 26th, 2020. We're going to talk about XRP on this particular video. Now, before I get started, if you guys appreciate our videos and our content, I always want to remind you to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel before you go. Also, we do have other social media presence on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. You can follow us there as well. And then on our own website, we got HueFinancial.com. We do place some other content on that particular medium just to make sure we are able to give out as much content information as possible regarding the trap, the one who's trying to take the money from us. And it's just that simple. We follow what he's trying to do. And in that particular situation, you're able to maintain that profitability and take the profit out the market right before he gets there. We're anticipating his next move. Easy. No need for no indicators. No need for no fundamental analysis. You just need to track what he's trying to do. Now let's talk about XRP real quick. Last time the video in XRP was on the 23rd of September, which was about 3 days ago. And let me zoom in and we're going to look at the performance of the trap. All right, let's see what he did. So video was done on the 23rd. And literally, if you did not see our video on that day, you missed out, because the market in XRP continued in weakness on the 23rd and ultimately bottomed out at 22 cents. And that's where we had our TP at. So if you did not see the market video that we did on the 23rd, you missed it. And that's one thing that no one who follows price can determine, on how fast and how slow the market is going to move to a particular price point. That's why you got to anticipate the next move. So hopefully you was able to grab that, see the video, and make your adjustments as needed to your own particular strategy, because now we got to get rid of it and anticipate his next purpose, his next move. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. Let's see, 5.5% done, over, completed. And let's take this away. So we just did a video for Litecoin as well. And literally for us in Litecoin, we're just seeing a start of a mundane trading range, from $40 to $50 in Litecoin. That's all we're seeing into the market. We're not seeing a biased direction from the trap in Litecoin. XRP looks to be the same way. The market does not seem to be in any sentiment, meaning it's not feeling bullish and it's not feeling bearish. We're going to see the market trade in a range, and that range in Litecoin looks to be around for restriction, looks to be right here, 27 cents for restriction and 20 cents for support. So there's a 7-cent difference of range that the trap is going to play and continue to bounce the market in between. 20 cents is support, 27 cents restriction. Okay. Now you can already tell, show you this real quick, that restriction into the market in XRP is going to be at 25 cents. The market held support, bounced right there on the 18th of September. We tried to break above 25 cents and we got rejected. But the rejection wasn't that powerful. It wasn't that strong. It wasn't that severe, because the market only came and held support at 22. And now, last 2 days, the market trap is trying once again to crack above 25 cents. That's why that rejection wasn't that strong. Let's take a look at XRP on this weekly time frame and see anything different. So XRP weekly time frame, again, the market is giving us a probable precursor of strength. Simply means that we can see the market go higher next week. That's it. The volume over the last 3 weeks is not extreme. It's not substantial comparative to what we've seen during August and the last week of July. It's not that bad. So this lets us know again that we're looking for some subsidence, some calmness into the market for XRP literally 20 cents to 27. It's where the market is anticipated to trade. Now, I don't want you to forget that we're still in this downtrend in XRP though. Monthly time frame for XRP, market still looks a little bit weaker though. For the long-term purview, we're seeing market weakness in XRP. That's why we identified support at 20 cents. Now, real quick before we create our forecast, let's take a look at the 4-hour chart in Litecoin. In XRP. So, where do you see the market going now? I'm not feeling amped in any way, whether the market is going to go higher or lower. I'm just saying, I don't see any excitement of market movement higher. One thing I'm noticing though is 23.5 cents. That holds for support. XRP is going to continue to trade in this range from 23 cents all the way up there to 25. That's on an hourly perspective. So this is like one of those situations to where you don't need to participate because we're not seeing anything substantial really coming into the market right now in XRP. So what we're going to do on this forecast, we're still going to play a little bit of strength. That's what we're going to do. Now we're going to see this market hold 23 cents. That's what we want the trap to do. And we're just going to play some minor strength movement to the upside. And that's it. Now again, we identified 20 cents ultimately as the area of support, restriction at 27. But on this particular forecast video, we're going to TP the market at 25 cents once again. There's a slim chance, 10-15%, that the market can hit 26 cents over the next 3 or 4 days. But right now, just going to continue to play some of this some of this strength into the market in XRP with the TP price of 25 cents, which would be, let me see, almost 4% market move higher from where we're at. And that's about it. Now, it's your turn. Where do you see the market in XRP going? For us, depending on time frame, daily, hourly basis, yes, the market is giving us a little bit more strength, which is why we're going to TP around 25. But from a weekly perspective, 20 cents support, 27 cents restriction. Just looking for the market trap to bounce in between those two locations. And monthly, it's a little bit more weaker there in the long term. That's where we at. Now, where are you? Where do you see the market in XRP going in the next 3 days? Tell us with your comment, and then give us your TP price. And that's how we're going to roll. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and we'll talk again on our next video.